Sama skips through the meadow, her laughter echoing as she makes silly faces. Other children watch Sama, their faces lighting up with amusement at her antics. This is Sama. Sama is happy, wild, and loves to joke around. Sama, in playful mischief, heeds Leo's by. She then pulls a chair out from under Leo, her laughter ringing out. Leo looks startled, his expression shifting to sadness. Sama sits alone, her smile vanished, as a gray cloud forms above her. That wasn't a good joke. Everything in her stomach suddenly feels heavy. Sama stands uncertainly, her gaze fixed on Leo. She thinks for a long time. Then she goes to Leo. Sama slowly approaches Leo, pausing briefly to meet his gaze. "I'm sorry." Leo looks at Sama, his expression serious. A smile spreads across Leo's face. The sun breaks through the clouds, bathing the playground in a warm glow. Sama breathes a sigh of relief. Sama extends a hand to a younger child, gathering scattered building blocks. Other children observe Sama's kindness, their nods conveying silent approval.